Welcome back. Today we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10 together.
Yay! I love numbers.
Me too. Let's count and play. Number 1.
One sun shining bright.
Wow. The sun looks so bright and golden. Number 1. One sun shining bright. Wow. The sun looks so bright and golden. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. 2 shoes ready to run.
Look, I've got 2 shoes too.
Number 3. 3 buzzing bees. Buzz, buzz, buzz. The bees are so busy. Number 4. Number 4. 4 doors to open. I want to open the green one. Number 5. Number 5. 5 red apples. Chops. I love apples. Can I have one, please? Number 6. Number 6. 6 bouncing balls. Catch the ball, Lily. Number 7. Number 7. 7 shining stars. Number 7. 7 shining stars.
Look, Ethan, the stars are dancing.
Number 8. Number 8. 8 cute puppies. They're so fluffy. I want to take them all home. Number 9. 9 colorful balloons.
Hold on tight or they'll fly away.
Number 10.
10 happy friends. Hooray! We made it to 10.
Counting is so much fun. Great job, everyone. You counted from 1 to 10 with us.
Let's do it again later.
Bye, friends. Keep practicing every day.